Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the camera error code 0xA00F4271 on Windows 11. This error usually appears when your camera can start due to driver issues, blocked permissions, or corrupted system files. Don't worry, I will walk you through several working solutions step by step. First, let's make sure the camera has permission to work. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then click on Camera. Make sure camera access is turned on and also allow apps and desktop apps to access your camera. After that, close Settings and test the camera again. If the error is still there, let's reset the camera app. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, find Camera, click Advanced Options, then click Reset. Restart your computer and check if the camera starts working. Next, let's fix possible driver problems. Right-click the Start button, open Device Manager, and expand Cameras or Imaging Devices. Right-click your camera device and choose Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, right-click again, choose Uninstall Device, and restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the correct driver automatically after reboot. If the error step resists, we will check System Files. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type sfc/scan, now then press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish, restart your PC, and in most cases, the camera error will be completely fixed. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more Windows fixes, and leave a comment if you need more help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.